Hello everyone, my name is Amrita and I hope you all are doing well. A very warm welcome to all of you to the 45-day internship orientation program. Today's session is meant to give you complete clarity about the company, the internship structure, your roles, how you will learn, what support you will receive, and what you should do to perform well. Think of this orientation as your roadmap. If you follow it properly, you will not only complete the internship smoothly, but you will also build real skills, confidence, and professional habits. During the session, please note down your question at the end. We will have a proper Q&A so nothing remains unclear. So, welcome and let's begin. Everyone to the internship orientation. We are genuinely excited to have you on board. This is the beginning of a learning journey where you will experience real professional expectations, communication, discipline, teamwork, and of course, skill buildings. So, now we are moving ahead and we will discuss about the agenda. So, before we go deep, here is what we will cover today. We will discuss the company, its mission and vision, goals and milestones, services, internship domains, the 45-day internship plan, your responsibility, the benefits, the clarification details, contact information, and then we will finish with Q&A 45 days internship orientation. So by the end of this orientation, you will have a complete picture of what's coming next and how you can make the most of it. So by moving our next slide, we will discuss about the company. Now let's talk about the company. Hex Software Private Limited is presented here as a software development and marketing company, and the overall focus is on innovation, solution, and developing talent through training and internships. The presentation also mention a large number of interns enrolled and completed, which indicate that many students have already been trained through this model. For you, the important point is this internship is designed not just for certificate purpose but to help you gain and structured learning and professional exposure. So this is all about the company of Hack Software. Now moving ahead, we will discuss about the mission and the vision. Now, coming to the mission and vision, the mission focuses on delivering value through innovative solutions and a strong service while using technology to support businesses and customer experience. And the vision is about being a part of digital transformation and helping businesses grow, along with helping interns build a future direction in their careers. So, uh, so overall, the company's orientation is solve real problems and build capable professionals. So this is all about the mission and the vision. Now, this slide shares three main goals. That is, first one is skill development, second, professional growth, third one is innovation and creativity. So, as an intern, your focus should be don't just complete the task. In fact, learn skills, grow your professional mindset, and bring new ideas. So, these are the goals of this internship. Now, here this slide gives milestones like the company being founded in 2023, certifications like ISO, MSME, and future growth direction. The purpose of showing milestones is to communicate credibility and growth. Basically, that you are joining an organization that's actively building and expanding. So, this is all about the milestones. Now, by moving our next slide, and here we will discuss about ISO certificate. This slide show the ISO certification. Now the reason this matter for interns is simple. It builds trust. It indicates the organization aims to follow structured processes and recognized standards, which also reflect in internship quality. Now here the presentation shows the MCA certificate, NCI, and details. Again, the message is authenticity and legitimacy. This is official company registration information. So, the interns you can blindly trust on us. Now, we are moving ahead and discuss about our MSME certificate. So overall, ISO, MCA, MSME slides are not to overload you. They are to confirm that the company has proper registration and the certification. So you can blindly trust on us and you can continue your internship with us and enjoy the tech journey and the management with us. And in this slide we will share or we will discuss about the offered services. Now let's look at what the company works on. The slide highlights services areas like web development, app development, marketing, business consulting, and it also mentions opportunities like jobs and internships. So what does that mean for you? It means the company supports multiple work areas and internships are aligned to help interns learn and contribute in those areas. So, this is about our offered services. Now, moving ahead, and we will discuss about the available internship domain. Now, the most relevant part for you internship domains, the PDF list domains like graphics designing, human resources, sales executive, marketing, finance, business analyst. So, you should choose your domain with clarity. If you are creative, then choose graphics design. If you like people management, then choose human resources, that is HR. If you like communication and targets, so you should choose sales. If you like promotion and strategy, so choose marketing. And if you like numbers, so choose finance. And if you like problem solving and reporting, so choose business analyst. Your learning becomes much stronger when your domain matches your interests. So, interns, choose your domain according to your interest. This will make the work more productive. Now, moving ahead, we will discuss about the internship. So, this internship is structured for 45 days. The program includes training sessions on weekends, expert webinars, and even interview sessions or practice. Also, top performers are awarded. So, the expectation is be regular, be active, and treat it like a professional commitment, not like a casual activity. So, this is all about the internship. Now, by moving ahead, we will discuss about the responsibility of the interns. And remember, interns, this is one of the most important slide, and this is talk or the discuss about your responsibility. So, the session is clearly mentions attend meetings, attend all webinars, complete weekly tasks, help each other, respond on time, and most important, submit task on the time. Let me explain why this matters. If you miss webinar, you miss learning. If you delay task, your performance suffer. If you don't respond on time, it affects teamwork and communication. So, your success formula is simple: consistency plus timely task submission plus participation plus professionalism. That makes your success. So, I hope you all got these responsibilities. Now, in turns, we are moving ahead and discuss about the expert meetings and workshop. This slide show expert meetings and workshop. Treat these sessions like your life classroom. Don't just attend, even engage, ask questions, take notes, and apply what you learn in task. That's how an intern becomes a professional. So, this is all about the expert meetings and the workshop. And by moving ahead, we will discuss about why I chose this internship. This slide lists multiple reasons such as mentorship, certification, challenges, demo interviews, placement support, community support, and more. The key idea is you are not alone in this internship. You will have session, support, guidance, and opportunities to prove yourself. So, if you take it seriously, it can strengthen your resume and your skills. So this is all about the internship, and here we will discuss about internship fee and perks of interns. So here we will discuss we will discuss that this is an important slide about the certification process. The PDF mentions a certification fee and specify its reason was, and it clearly says it's a one time payment and there is no further payment required. So it also mention it is mandatory to fill the internship confirmation form, and the documents you receive include internship offer letter, internship certificate, letter of recommendations, student ambassador appointment letter too. So the brief messages follow the official process properly and keep your documents safe for future use. So this is all about fee and perks of the interns. So the interns, we will discuss about the benefits of the internship, not talk about the benefits. The slide mentions a stipend up to a stated amount and also highlights experience, certification, and placement opportunities with Hack Software and partner companies. But remember, benefits depend on performance. The more disciplined and consistent you are, the more you will gain from the internship. So, this is all about the benefits of the internship. Now, let's talk more about contact information. The slide provides official contact information like email, website, LinkedIn, and phone details. If you have any confusion related to task, webinars, certification, or internship process, always use official communication channels and stay professional in your messages. Now we are at the Q&A part. Here, please ask your question anything that is unclear, internship internship structure, domain, task, webinar, certificate, submission process. So all these any type of the question you can ask your WhatsApp admin, and he or the she will uh, resolve all your query and all your resource properly. And at the end, to close the session, thank you very much, everyone, for your time and attention. This 45-day internship can truly become a turning point if you stay consistent, be active in webinars, complete tasks on time, communicate professionally, and keep learning. I wish you all the very best for your internship journey. Thank you so much, everyone.